A groundbreaking shift is coming to the UAE's tax landscape, and it could change everything for multinational companies. Starting January 2025, the UAE will impose a 15% domestic minimum top-up tax on multinational enterprises. This move aligns the UAE with the OECD's initiative to prevent profit shifting to low-tax jurisdictions. Only multinational enterprises with global revenues exceeding €750 million will be affected. If an MNE's effective tax rate in the UAE is below 15%, a top-up tax will be applied to meet the global minimum rate. Small and medium-sized enterprises are exempt, ensuring the UAE remains a competitive environment for smaller businesses. Industries like technology, financial services, and global retail chains will need to assess their compliance with the new regulations. Affected companies must provide transparent financial disclosures to prove adherence to the tax regulations. The UAE joins over 140 countries in implementing these reforms to create a level playing field and reduce tax competition. This reform solidifies the UAE's role as a compliant global business hub while continuing to attract investments.